In this video, we will show the best soup makers in India 2020. At number 1, Wonderchef Automatic Soup Maker 800 Watt. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, Philips Viva Collection Soup Maker. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, Morphy Richards 310,000 1.6 liter Saute and Soup Maker. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, Tefal Easy Soup 1000 Watt Soup Maker. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, Clearline CLR009 1000 Watt Soup Maker and Blender. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.